Come learn psychology of Bhagavad Gita with me, verse by verse. In verse 32 and 33, Arjun is continuing to ask the why and the what kind of questions to Krishna. He's now not just contemplating about what's the point of this war, he's contemplating what's the point of having a kingdom, what's the point of having a wealth, or what's even the point of having this life. And in verse 34, he looks at the Kaurva side and he says to Krishna that people who actually desire wealth, kingdom, glory, and all of that are right here. He's referring to Bhishma, Dronacharya, and all those people who are there on that side. If they want it so bad, they should have it. I don't even want it anymore. Psychologically speaking, this is the sign of classic existential crisis or existential despair, where even the things that you once thought were your prized possessions now start to seem irrelevant or meaningless because they don't align with your values anymore. It's kind of like if you've been running behind money and success all your life, but after a point, that money just starts to look at numbers in your bank account. All these things and achievements you're doing just seems like something you've ticked off your to-do list. And all these successes start to seem hollow. If that is something that you've been through, then watch further. So if the successes ever start to feel hollow to you, then it's time to stop and ask yourself that whatever you're doing or whatever you did, was it because it was your value or was it because it was something that the world told you to do? A lot of times people will say that, it was my duty, my parents told me to do this, I had to follow this path, they did so much for me, I have to do things back for them. But ultimately, even the thing that Arjun is facing, that this whole emotional collapse is basically because he's stuck between the attachments and the responsibility he has versus his own identity. Stuck between how to be human as well as heroic. So many times we try to sacrifice ourselves that, okay, I'll do this career for my parents or I'll follow this path because my partner wants me to. But all of that is just, we're trying to be heroic, we're trying to be responsible, but all this time we forget to be humans, and then eventually, some or the other day, and usually for a lot of people, it comes as midlife crisis. That's when everything crashes. That when you feel you've not lived your life for yourself, you've not lived for your purpose, everything comes crashing down. I get it. There are a lot of times in life when you're stuck between relationships and responsibilities. But at those times, you need to ask yourself and you need to let your clarity guide you to think that which one comes first in this particular situation. Of course, both are important, but in certain situations, one of these will come first and then follow that. And if you've been following that already, then follow me for more such videos where we will uncover Bhagavad Gita verse by verse.